Hi, this video will show you how to extract the sample application for OBIEE to use in the Oracle Linux VirtualBox. In order to do so, please follow the next steps. Go to the Downloads folder of your computer, locate the downloaded files and rename them according to the sequence of numbers as they appear on the Oracle Technology Network website. After renaming, ensure that your files do not have double extensions. I will demonstrate to you what I mean by this. And then remove any additional .zip extension files. Then extract the files or the file with .001 into your OBIEE folder of the C drive. Let's get started. On your C drive, create an OBIEE file for V506. This is the 11.9 version. I used V305 because this is the one that's consistent with the Windows lessons that are posted at the moment. But I'm extracting the files for the benefit of the different learners that have sent emails to me to show them how to do that. So you create a folder. This is an empty folder because we want to extract those files into this folder. Then go to your downloads. Then locate the file that has got the smallest number of kilobytes or gigabytes, which is number 5. What you want to do is you want to rename this one to 001. Then the one that has 1 should be renamed to 002. And the sequence goes on until you are done with all the 6 files. Now go back to the C drive and create another temporary folder. You can call it Appliance V506. This is a temporary file, and we want to move those downloads which are in the downloads folder into this file 1 up to 6. And then you cut them, go to the C drive, and place them in the Appliance V506. Then open the 7-zip file manager. Once you open the 7-zip file manager, you will have to navigate to the C drive. It can look like this. Then you go to the C drive, then open, and you click on Add. Let's open this one. And we want to, you will notice this is what I was saying, where 2 zip extensions appear on your files. You want to make sure that these are renamed correctly because they are already zip files. Another extension automatically appears because of the software that we're using, 7-zip file manager. So what we'll do is we'll have to remove all the zips from all the 6 files, then we can extract them. Once that is done, all you have to do is you select the first file and then you click on extract. And then you browse to the OBIEE V506 file. That's where you want to place all your files, and then you click on extract. This would approximately take 25 to 30 minutes to be done. And once that is done, I will show you the next step on how to import the virtual appliance onto the Oracle Linux VirtualBox. Once the file extraction is done, you should have 2 different files. One is a virtual machine, another one is an open virtualization file. This is what you want to see in order for you to be able to be confident that you've extracted the files correctly. So that's how you extract the files for the Oracle Linux VirtualBox appliance. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to showing you the next steps in this course.